Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. It's another day at home, and I'm starting with today's video by showing you guys what I got from both local and supermarkets and their prices. Alright guys, I got a half kilogram of green beans at 400 Rwandan franc, and I got a half kilogram of green pepper at 600. I got one yellow and red pepper at 1000 each, and 30 eggs at 6000 Rwandan franc, whole chicken at 6800 Rwandan franc, a kilogram of beef at 5,500, two bottles of juice at 10,000, that's 5,000 for each bottle. Butter, I paid 4,500, and popcorn at 3,500. A half kilogram of peanut at 1,300 Rwandan francs. Santa pasta at 2,000 Rwandan franc. Santa spaghetti, I paid 4,000 Rwandan franc. For tomato paste at 1,400. Salt, I paid 300. Maggi, I paid 2,000. Tomato sauce at 1,500. Mayo, I paid 5,000. Honey at 2,500. Royco 2,000. Turmeric powder at 1,500. White oat 3,500, beef masala at 1,500, a liter of cooking oil at 3,500 Rwandan franc, hand washing powder at 3,500, laundry bar soap I paid 3,500, bath soap at 3,500, hand washing liquid soap at 1,500 Rwandan franc, sewing powder at 1,500, toothpaste at 1,200, toothbrush at 1,000, star softer 3,200. Toilet bowl cleaner I paid 1,500, two mosquito repelling liquid at 2,000, dishwashing sponge at 1,000. I bought steel scrub sponge and I paid 500 for one, and I bought a kitchen towel at 3,500, and I bought 1 kilogram of sweet potato. I paid 450 Rwandan francs, and that's all I got from both markets. Because we're in the rain season, I thought that maybe the prices were going to be somehow low, but that was not the case. Seems like the prices are increasing day by day, and there is nothing you can do about it. So guys, before I continue with today's video, I would like to apologize for not uploading a new video last week. My last few weeks was so hectic weeks for me, and I was so exhausted. I couldn't focus on something else other than what I was working on, and I'm glad that finally I made this video, which is few supper I had in 3 days. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I have some dishes I washed for a few days ago, and I'm going to put them away, and after that I will make peppermint tea, and I'm going to use one from Rwanda Mountain Tea Factory. These days I like to drink peppermint tea because it smells so good, and when I drink it, it makes my body feel so nice. Today's dinner, I'm making beef burger and I'll serve it with French fries. I like burgers so much and I spent a few days and did some research to figure out my simple way to make burger at home. And it seems like there are no rules of making burger. There are so many videos, recipes out there for how to make different burgers. But for me, today I'm going just to use a simple way to make burger at home. I'm preparing all the ingredients I will use. I'm cutting onion into small pieces. This one I'll mix with minced meat to form a beautiful burger patties, which I'll show you later. And I also need some sliced tomato and onion. Also need burger buns and lettuce and some burger sauce. I'm going to prepare burger sauce. This sauce is really simple. I'm just going to use two ingredients, mayonnaise and tomato sauce, and that will be it. But for you, you can add anything else that you enjoy. In my mixing bowl, I'm adding minced meat, onion, garlic powder, paprika, some salt, black pepper, Maggi, and also I'm going to add one egg. Hi guys, it's day two. I'm going to make an easy spaghetti sausage. I'm going to boil spaghetti. When spaghetti is ready, I'll just cook some chopped onions and garlic and smoked sausage and add boiled spaghetti. The beauty of this spaghetti recipe is that it is very easy to make and you don't have to add any seasoning to achieve a wonderful flavor. The sausage gets all of its seasoning. Hi guys, it's day 3. I'm about to make dinner for today and I will take salad and palm saute. So I'm starting boiling potatoes and I'm going to make salad. And for my salad, I'm going to use cucumber, tomato, onion and lemon juice. And that will be it for my salad. And also I will deep fry my potatoes. I think that's it. And that will be my dinner for today. I will leave all the ingredients and the right quantities in the description box below in case you are interested in any food I made in today's video. So please check the description box and I hope you are already enjoying watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share for others to watch as well.